Flavour Nabania was live in London as he surprised Falz the Bad Guy during his show in London. Okay, guys, Flavour surprised Falz the Bad Guy on stage as they performed back-to-back of his songs together. It was a fun-filled night of celebration. Flavour gave Falz the Bad Guy a surprise performance as fans everybody could not get enough of him. In just a few weeks ago, Flavour did his own show in London and it was nothing but a fantastic and a total shutdown. And yesterday, he surprised Falz the Bad Guy during his show in London as Flavour just came on stage. It was like fans could not get a lot of him. Flavour is one of those artists that has been consistent in the Nigerian music industry for years, and he has managed to remain relevant over the years, dropping his songs after his songs, album after album, and he still manages to catch the crowd whenever he's on stage. That is what we call consistency, and he just being on his own lane, doing his thing and also making hit record. We are super proud of him, everything he has been doing. He's a big legend in the Nigerian music industry. Okay, guys, I'll be sharing with you how the performance went down. Drop a comment below to think about it, like and share, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
You